People have been labeling COVID-19 as an exponentially spreading virus, but what does this exactly mean? Well, if we look at the graphs detailing the cases of COVID-19 in California and the US, there are very large spikes in known cases that resemble the curve shape of an exponential function. Since the cases usually increase greater than the previous day and have asymptotes that an exponential graph would have, it's no wonder why people would see some kind of correlation. If we look at the California graph, the curve shape and an asymptote are represented in this image. And on the US graph, there are actually two curves, one when the virus was first introduced and another when businesses start to reopen. If we take a closer look at California, between March 6 and April 1st, cases of COVID were introduced in around 1,000 cases. From April 1st to May 15, the amount of cases stayed under 2,000, but over the imaginary asymptote of 1,000, maintaining a slow but increasing shape in the graph, until a sharp curve between May 15 and July 1st created a total of more than 6,000 cases. The graph clearly shows that as more time passes, the number of cases will continue to increase. By calculating the average rate of increase for each month, excluding the introduction period of the virus because it would become an outlier, I received the rate of around 1.86. And after plugging it into the equation y equals 1000 times 1.86 to the power of 3.5, in which the 1000 represents the cases in April and the 3.5 accounts for the months following that date, I received an estimate of approximately 8,776 cases on July 15. If we were to stop the spread of COVID-19, the graph would look like this: an exponentially decaying graph with cases being divided until there are barely any left. This, of course, would be a great thing for California, as the lower frequency of the infections will obviously result in a safer and healthier population. In response to a decrease in cases, our state would most likely rush to reopen the economy and let us roam with no restrictions. And this could be good if executed at a time when the virus threat isn't as prominent. But if done too early, another exponential increase could follow. So stay safe and thanks for watching.